Hey everyone, it's Akshay and welcome back to Daily Tuition YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to create this beautiful Bootstrap blog from scratch. We will create this blog together. So, open up your compiler and just follow me. But before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to Daily Tuition channel, then must click on subscribe button for weekly new design. And also click on like button if you find something useful in this video. So as always we say, before we getting late, let's get started. First create a new project. In that project, add image folder and insert some images. We already inserted all images in the image folder which we are using in this tutorial. Then create a new file, index.html and style.css. We will horizontally split this file to right and left. Then we create simple HTML5 snippet and link style.css file to index.html file. Rename a web page title. Now we want to include Bootstrap classes in our project. So from the Bootstrap website, we will copy all the Bootstrap CDN and paste it in the head section. We will remove script tag from the head section and place it before closing body tag. Then we want to insert some icon in our blog. So we will go to Font Awesome website and copy this tag and paste it here. At the last, we want to add some font family, so we will insert it from Google Font. Copy this font link and paste it in the head. Now everything is ready. Move to the body section and create div with social bar and light blue CSS class. In this div, create I tag with fab fa Facebook -f class. This class will include Facebook icon in the project. So now we need to create some style to this icon. In the style.css file, create a body class with 0 margin and 0 padding to remove padding and margin from all HTML tags. Then create light blue class with background color. After this, create social class and add text align right with 100% and height 3%. Text align will align icon on the right side of the screen. Then add Bootstrap padding right class. Copy and paste this I tag and just remove Facebook icon and add Twitter. Now we need to create some space between this icon. So we will use margin right Bootstrap class to create right margin. We will add this margin class to all of our icons. And just copy this tag and paste it as much as you want. And then just change this icon to Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, RSS feed and Google+. Now we want to create a title of our blog with tagline. So create div with container fluid and create a row in container fluid. In the row, create column 3 Bootstrap class, then add h1 tag and type your blog title. We will use our channel name here, and then create tagline with the paragraph tag. We want to align this title to right and add some padding top. Now we will create class in style.css file for h1 and paragraph tag and add font family. Then create a blank column to create some space and add div with column 8. In this column we want to show banner ad, so we will use image element to insert this ad. We insert img fluid class and specify image location in the source. We will use padding left and padding Y to this ad. Now we are going to create navigation menu. To create this, insert nav tag with navbar bootstrap class. To change navbar color black, just use navbar inverse vg inverse class and then add navbar toggleable md class for color scheme. In the navbar, create navbar brand class and insert home icon using font awesome class. Then create a div tag with collapse navbar collapse class and add id navbar nav alt markup id. After this, create a div with navbar nav class and create anchor tag with nav item, nav link and active class. We will leave href attribute blank and specify your navigation text here. We will write download template. You can change this whatever you want. Then create another nav item with nav link and active class with blank href attributes. If you want, you can specify URL in this href attribute. And here we will take services nav item. To save your time, make a copy of this anchor tag and then just change the text, just like pricing, documentation and contact us. So now our header section was completed. In the next video, we will create a main section of our blog. So don't go anywhere. We will get back to you in the next part of this video. In the beginning of this video, if you forget to subscribe this channel, then just press subscribe button and press bell icon to get notification of my every new video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy and keep watching.